So that was Emmanuel Bravo with Blackstripes. Make sure you go check out some more stuff from Emmanuel Bravo on his SoundCloud page. Now, if you're enjoying the show so far, please do give it a like on Spreaker. There's a little heart just beneath where the show is playing. And if you give that heart a click for me, I would really appreciate it. It always puts a big smile on my face when I see that a show has got a lot of likes. Also, of course, anything you can do to help me share this show, I would greatly appreciate it, whether that's on Facebook or Twitter or Tumblr, or even in real life, just recommending it to other people outside of the internet. I really, really appreciate it when people share the shows, and it does make a huge difference to the listenership. So any help that you guys can give me to spread this great music with more people, I would really appreciate. Now, we're going to head over to Vienna, Austria now to hear from Dunkelbunt. This is Flat Foot Boogie.
All aboard that CNNW Railroad Blues. Get your bags ready
that was Dunkelbunt with a beautiful track called Flat Foot Boogie. Fantastic stuff. You can hear more from Dunkelbunt on both SoundCloud and Bandcamp. Now, next up, we've got a collaboration between a DJ and a group, both of which are from Baltimore, Maryland, in the United States. This is DJ Spen and the MuthaFunkers with Got a Hold on Me, That Scat Thing.
Baby's got a hold on me, and I just can't let go. Every time I try to leave, I step back in the door. My baby's got a hold on me, I don't know what to do. Every time I try to go, it's like glue stuck on my shoe. Ba-da-dee-lo-da-da, 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 ba-da, ba-da-dee-lo-da-da, 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 ba-da, ba-da-dee-lo-da-da, 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 ba-da, ba-da-dee-lo-da-da, 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 ba-da.
So that was DJ Spen collaborating with the MuthaFunkers on a track called Got a Hold on Me, That Skatt Thing. And make sure you go check out some more stuff from DJ Spen and indeed from the MuthaFunkers. You can find music from both of them on SoundCloud. Like I say, they are from Baltimore, Maryland, which is a city that I have a bit of a soft spot for because I'm a big fan of the television series The Wire. Was my first introduction to Baltimore. Never been there in real life, never even been to the US in the real life, unfortunately. But yeah, it's a fascinating sounding city, and if you've not seen The Wire, I thoroughly recommend you go and check that show out.